So let's get back to the other clause, group by. Right, group by is more normally goes with the aggregations, or if you want to reduce uh, the number of rows, duplications, group by is normally goes with a sum, count, mean, max. So depending on what you want to use it for. So let's work on the group by clause. Let's select a statement. Select purchase ID. Let's continue transaction table. Purchase ID. Okay. Line total. Line total. Exactly like this. So let's aggregate this line total. So what it gives us. Line total. Sorry. Sum the line total from the transaction table. Group by which is ID. So let's execute and see what it gives us. So you see what it gives us from what the table is actually. So the aggregations have been made. Okay, this looking at this situation, the column no longer has a name. So let's give it a name. The sum total as total of sum of line total of line total, okay, plus the square bracket, yeah. So let's execute again. So you can see what we have right now. Right, in this situation, let's employ using the where clause. Using the where clause, where purchase order ID is equal to 7. Okay. Oh la la la. Is equal to 7. Purchase order ID equal to 7. It's giving us nothing. Okay. Let's check this. Group by purchase order ID is okay. I don't think there's somewhere 7 in the, but let's use 3. So this is what we are getting, introducing the where clause and the group by clause. So just like I told you, the group by clause is usually for aggregations. If you want to find the mean, the count, the count and the count the number of rows we have here, and the max also. So right now, we are headed to the having clause.